What's happening, everybody out there on YouTube? Bryce and Michael RC here, and I'm trying to something a little bit different. I'm actually recording this live from my editing software. Well, I'm not live right now. You guys will see this not live, so don't assume that it's live. But I got something very special for you guys today. I've got a little bit of a review clip from Serena. You guys know her as FunSized Lady. She's on every live event that we have. And this is what I want. This is what I really want more than anything in the world. If you are a giveaway winner or community giveaway winner or something, make me a little insert. That way I'd love to make a compilation of these. That way it's just one after the other. This first one, she knows she needs no introduction. If you come on the lives on Sundays, you guys will see her. She'll be kind of giving you guys instructions. In fact, she answers a lot of the questions before I do. So, this is about the Now Dentures. So, you guys have seen all the videos that I've put out about the Now Dentures. We have a giveaway going on currently right now. So, just go through my videos and you have a chance to win this medium set right here. Make sure that you guys are following the directions, because several of you guys, like I say every giveaway, several of you guys think that you're entered, but you're not, because you haven't followed the directions. So just FYI, these are the giveaway right here. Hope to see you guys every Sunday live once that video gets to 2,000. So it's a good idea to share it. Once that video gets to 2,000, we're going to announce the whole giveaway on a Sunday live. So that'll be a lot of fun. Anyways, you guys don't want to hear me yak. You guys want to hear Serena, fun-sized lady, and well, I've got a still shot of her, and I just realized she looks like she's annoyed at me and ready for me to stop talking. So let's kick right over to her. She did it in the upway position, and I don't do videos like that. So bear with me. The black sides are going to scoot in, but you guys will love this. Anyways, check it out.
Okay, hi everybody. I kind of wrote up a little script here just because I'll go crazy. I'll go get off track. I ramble a lot. So, just wanted to let you know there aren't many reviews on these, so I wanted to provide one. I heard about these right down here. I heard about them from Bryson Michael RC on YouTube. I've got them in right now. I hope you can see them okay. But Uh, I absolutely love these things. You form them yourself. They're pretty easy. I mean, it does help if you're a little bit crafty, uh, but they're pretty easy as long as you take your time. The picture below me is how they arrive. Uh, Step one has the fitting trays in them. You put those in your mouth to make sure they fit your gums. And then once you're confident and satisfied that they fit, then you open up step two bag. And in there is the dentures and some other things. You get some glue, like a polydent tablet, a little sander block thing. It's nice. And you fit them, you put them in boiling water, the dentures themselves, and you let it get just one plate at a time. You let it get malleable, and then you put them in your mouth to fit them to your gum. You mold them to your gum. And you're gonna have to do it more than once, probably, to get it right. It took me several times throughout this past week to get them like they are now, and they're pretty good. Uh, if you take your time with it, you can get them pretty perfect. I'm so happy with these. You don't even know. I can actually eat now. I can eat pretty much anything. I mean, it does take some getting used to eat with dentures to begin with, but I can do it. So that's what's important. I want to thank Denture Rescue so much for making these. Uh, Thank you so much, and thank you to Bryson as well for introducing them to me and to a bunch of us. Anyway, here's my review. I'm very happy with them. I would give them 10 stars. Um, I don't know, maybe 8 for people that have a little rougher time fitting them, but it worked out great for me. It only took me like a week, and they're not perfect yet, but they're close. And so, anyway, like I said, I ramble. I didn't put all that in my script, but anyway, I hope this video is good enough and not too long. Thank you.
So what'd you guys think? It wasn't too long. It could have been a whole lot longer. I mean, I make 20, 40-minute videos and stuff like that. So great job. She hit every point, honestly. Didn't go into too much detail, just gave her honest opinion. I'm going to be sending a portion of that, edited down to a minute, to Denture Rescue so they can put it up on their thing as a review. Um, any one of you out there that has gotten a pair of these, that have gotten them from seeing my channel, or you have a good success story, or even if you have a bad one, whatever you have, please email it to me. I will put my email on the screen, and what you can do is you can put it in a driver on Google, and then I can just share that driver with me, or put it in the Google Drives. Did I say driver? Put it in Google Drives and then share it with me, and then I can download it. I know Anthony's one of them that we've talked to on the lives and stuff. There's been a couple other people who said that they'd be willing to do it. It excites me to see other people, and not only that, it just gives me a chance and everybody else a chance to just see you, put a name to a face. And I know there's a lot of people, especially with the social stigma behind it and stuff like that. And not only that, people are just camera shy. There's a lot of people on here have told me personally that they don't want to make a review video, they don't want to make anything for YouTube because they don't want to put their face on camera because they're super camera shy about it and stuff. It's not that bad of a deal. Plus, these give you so much extra confidence. I mean, they make you look way better. Look at me. I'm an ugly mug. You know what I mean? Makes me look way better. My confidence has been through the roof since I've had them. So I just uploaded a video of me eating a steak. You guys can see that. That's been asked for. People have asked for it a bunch of times. I've done a lot. I've done a short of me eating an apple. So all the hardest things. And she'll get there with hers. And everybody else will get there with theirs there eventually, because these are, like I've said in multiple of my video, you make these yourself. The basic part down here is already set and straight, and you don't have to worry about that messing up. It's up here that you make yourself. You fit it to yourself. And the coolest part about that whole thing is it takes, I think, 20 seconds in boiling hot water in order to get it to get malleable and for you to fit it. And you can take as many times as you want redoing it and redoing it. But you know what it does do? When you go to a dentist, when you get regular dentures, and oftentimes, in fact, most times you get dentures from a dentist, you're going to go home and they're not going to fit well. You're going to say they're pinching here, they're loose here, they're this, there, and then you're going to go back and tell them. And then they're going to go and put a reliner thing on it. They're not going to fix the denture itself. They're going to put a reliner on it. And so as they put a reliner or fix the areas, all that's happening is they're building material on it. So they're making it thicker, and you're having to keep go back over and over and over again. These, you just do it on your own time, and you don't have to pay that extra money to go see a dentist to get these redone. I mean, it's exhausting. And that's the whole reason why I can afford real dentures. I could go out and get real dentures right now. Hell, I could go out and get implants right now if I wanted to. And that was the goal from the very get-go. When I first started showing these, I told you guys I wanted to go to affordable denture and start working my way up through the line. But these have been so successful with me, and I like them so much, and they're just kind of my look now, that I don't see any purpose in actually going through and doing anything else. I've got 3 pairs of these. If one of them breaks, I have another one to go to. I can go in and form them anytime my gums and bones start to shrink down and stuff. I mean, they're just amazing. And I think you guys out there that actually get these and you guys get used to making them and using them and stuff like that, you guys will also get to that point where it's just like, you denture wearers, the people out there that have had real dentures and then go to these, I want to hear from you guys too, more than anything, because I want to see what the difference is between going back and forth and then, you know what I mean, doing it yourself and having it yourself. You can always save up and get another pair and another pair. You know what I mean? Like they're not expensive. And I know a lot of people go, you didn't mention the price. They're under $400. And a lot of people, the biggest thing that people ask me is, so when you drink hot coffee or you eat hot soup, is it gonna deform on you? Only if you're gurgling boiling hot water for 20 seconds, which nobody's gonna do that. Nobody in the world's gonna do that. I eat the hottest crap all the time, and it never affects it. Never affects it. So, in fact, I would say it would probably, if it did affect it, and it doesn't, but if it did, it would probably make it better, because while you're, it would probably suck it up more to your gums and stuff as you're going. But yeah, man. And the other really big benefit in these is you can get these as thin as you want, because you can go through here and smash these down and get them super thin. And I've heard a lot of horror stories about dentures from companies that just feel like hockey pucks in your mouth. I'm telling you. Like, I literally have no desire to go to a dentist and get dentist made dentures. I just don't. These have been such a smashing success for me. And so, anyways, I said all that. See, I ramble too. Fun size. I ramble as well. And I just had to get on and kind of throw that little bit extra in there. And I don't want to beat a dead horse over and over again. I know that I've made this same video with these same talking points over and over again. And everybody out there thinks that I'm personally selling these, that I'm personally getting a commission from them and stuff. The only thing I make is the view counts. I get money from YouTube. And Denture Rescue has paid me $300 total way at the beginning, just because I asked. But they haven't given me a commission. They haven't done anything like that. A lot of people think that I'm only into this and trying to sell it to you. I'm not a salesman. I think like salesmen are icky. Like, there's nothing greasier than a used car salesman, you know. This is just my honest opinion, my 100, and I want you to know about it because they changed my life, and I want to get that across to you. They've changed my life, really have. And I want somebody out there, and they may, some people, like she said, probably an 8 for people who aren't crafty. That was perfect. I love that, because if you don't have a little bit of skill, you may not have a success story with it, and that sucks. But they're not for every single person out there. You're gonna get those people out there who are a success story, and that it does change their life, and it's all because I was able to get on here and share my experience. I looked all through YouTube when I first got the Now Dentures, and I didn't see one, and that's the whole reason why I made that first video, because I didn't see anything that had to do with Now Dentures. I looked it up even when I bought them myself. I was looking it up trying to find reviews and all this sort of stuff, and all I seen was an AI website with AI reviews and stuff, and I really didn't trust it all that much. But I took the leap and I got it, and then it's just been life changing ever since. So I'm just trying to get this to somebody else out there. So even with all the bad, all the good, I want that 5 or 6 people who it's going to be life changing for. You know what I mean? Anyways, I'll stop rambling. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Puts a little bit of a name to a face and lets you guys get to know Fun Size a little bit more, or Serena. Make sure that you like and subscribe. I always forget to say that. Make sure that you like and subscribe. And go to the video if you haven't. If you're new to this channel, go over to that other video and enter in the giveaway. Medium size. All you need to put is giveaway medium or giveaway M. I told you guys. Don't put giveaway M and then a paragraph. Just giveaway M, and then if you want to say something else, leave another comment. Because that's the main thing that happens, is people don't listen to the whole thing, and then they leave a paragraph, and then it's just, you know, I don't want to have to sift through the whole thing. Just, or somebody will say, will leave a comment that says, please enter me. Like, you know what I mean? Listen to the whole thing. Follow the rules. It's not hard. See you guys.